Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to quickly add a Google form to your Wix website. Start by editing the page where you want to place the form. Scroll to the section where you would like to appear. Then now open a new tab and go to formsgoogle.com here and select the form you want to embed it. Here's the form. I'm selecting it from here and click get pre-filled link. Go back to Wix editor. Now click add element here. Then scroll to embedded code. Here it is. Then select website address. Then embed a site. Here select the website address. Now paste the link you have copied and press apply. Here you can see the Google form is now embedded. You can resize the frame using the handles, those handles, to make it fit perfectly. I have fitted it perfectly. Let's preview the page. As you can see, the form is fully functional and anyone can now fill it out directly on your Wix site. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.